and girls. I'm excited to bring you Miranda by the Amore Designer Series. Miranda is a layered cut with a feathery fringe and lots of volume. What I like best about this style is that it has a double monofilament top, which you can part left, center, or right. But the double monofilament really gives you natural movement to the hair or fiber, and this is a regular synthetic fiber. And it also creates, in my opinion, a more realistic parting space where it looks as if hair is growing right out of the scalp. Now, a wig sister had told me about Miranda. The style has been out for quite some time, but I just never tried it. It never caught my eye. And she said, Julia, you need to get Miranda. I think with your face shape, it would look beautiful. So I did. Well, let's take a closer look at this gorgeous layered style. Miranda's wig cap features a polyurethane front rim. You can use tape or adhesive to affix the front rim to your forehead and hairline. The double monofilament top is hand-tied. It gives the look of natural growth wherever you part the wig. On either side of the cap are fabric ear tabs that are adjustable. The sides and the back are open wefted for air circulation and scalp coolness. On either side of the slender fabric nape are bra-like adjusters that allow you to adjust the circumference of the wig cap up to 1/2 inch. Well, here is Miranda. I really love the natural density of this style. The layering here along the neckline and down past the shoulders is very flattering. It reminds me of my biological hair, which is baby fine and poker straight. So I think my friend gave me some good advice. I look forward to wearing Miranda. Now the cap size on Miranda is average, which fits a head measuring 22 inches in circumference, exactly my head size. Now this cap fits me snug right out of the box without moving the adjustable straps. In fact, I have the adjustable straps at the loosest setting, and this is quite tight on my head. So I know for a fact that this would not be suitable for someone with larger than average head size. If you are petite or petite average, you'll be able to wear Miranda without any problem. This is a regular synthetic. The fiber is a high quality Moda acrylic fiber, very silky and soft to the touch. I like that it has somewhat of a dry denier. There's no shine. It just has a very natural look, just like healthy human hair. Now, I've noticed with Miranda that she does tend to tangle here at the ends. I can pull my fingers through the fibers without much trouble, and all long synthetic wigs do tangle. The best way to fight off tangles is to use a detangler. Amore, Rene of Paris, Noriko, their line of wigs sell detanglers. I will leave a link in the video description box under the video, or you could also use the Simply Stylin' Light Silk Spray, which is 100% silicone concentrate. Miranda does not have a lace front. This is what the hairline looks like. You have these wonderful bangs, which you can either wear in the, parted in the center, or you could take a wide tooth comb and push them off to the side. You also have the polyurethane strip along the hairline that you can use double-sided tape to affix the wig in place at your hairline. You can also use adhesive products like Got to Be Glued or It Stays. I currently have Miranda parted in the center. Look at that beautiful parting space. The double monofilament top gives the appearance of natural hair growth along the part. It's just a fabulous looking parting space. Now let's part the wig to the right to see how it will look. Now if you try to part this and the fibers don't lay down in the direction that you need them to, you can take a warm washcloth, a steamy warm washcloth, and once you have the part set, press it down and hold it for a couple of minutes. The steam from the washcloth will help train the fibers to lay in the direction that you need them to. Here is what the part looks like to the right. Very pretty. Let's part this wig to the left. Here's Miranda parted to the left, and again, just a beautiful parting space. Let's take a look at this beautiful long style from all sides. The front, left side, the back. I love the long length. It has a very nice layered look in the back. Right side. The measurements of Miranda are 5.5 inches long here at the bang. The crown is 9.5 inches long, and the nape is 13 inches long. Let's talk about this beautiful color. This is maple sugar. It's a light honey brown base with strawberry and light golden blonde highlights. You can see it here at the sides, these beautiful highlights. And then you can see them on either side of the parting space now that I have it parted in the center. Well, let's take a look at this fabulous color outside in natural light. Miranda is a long style which gives you plenty of styling versatility. You can part this wig left, center, or right. It looks beautiful tucked behind the ear. You can also take the length and pull it back into a ponytail. Let me use a hairband and show you what that looks like. You can also create a braid in the back, which looks very pretty. The style also looks pretty, pulled off to the side, such as this. Now you don't have a lace front, so I don't recommend wearing this style back off of the face. You can wear this style in an updo. Let's take the length, give it a twist, use a claw clip, and you can clip it up, which makes a very pretty and quick updo. If you're interested in purchasing Miranda, I highly recommend the website pinkypromise.com. They carry Miranda in all of the beautiful Amore salon colors. They have great customer service and free shipping. Now when you get to the website, on the home page, scroll down to the bottom, sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code, good on your first purchase. Plus, you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. Now, if you have questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below the video. Now, if you wear Miranda, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Please subscribe. Subscribing is free. You'll receive an alert every time I upload a wig review, color comparison video, product test, wig giveaway, and much, much more. Well, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.